Hey gang, we have arrived right here at the Magic Kingdom parking lot here at Walt Disney World in Florida. And we just parked and we're going to head on over to the Tram pickup to see if they're still running so that we can make our way into the Magic Kingdom entrance.
Okay, friends, please go back to the next row for your safety.
In front of my car. Do you not know what that means? Just walk on the front side of the parked car. Once again, friends, that next tram is just right there, coming around the corner now.
Well, we missed that tram, but at Walt Disney World there's never another tram far behind. How you doing? You are Darren, huh? Very good.
Guests, you have entered a villain's tram. This is a villain's tram. Please remember this for the end of the day. It seems you have parked in Scar 414. Scar 414. Remember this number for the end of the day.
Don't run. You're good.
It's always very important to remember where you parked your car, because later on in the day, you're going to need to know. So they said Scar 414, and that's what we're going to remember for later on.
Once again, guests, this is a villain's tram. Villain's tram, not heroes. To Scar and Hook. If you have any weapons such as knives, firearms, or selfie sticks, please return them to your car or vehicle, as they are prohibited in the park. Guests, make sure strollers are folded up, empty, and secured in the same seat next to you. Driver stepping off. Once again, guests who have parked in Scar 414, please remember this. Watch your head, watch your step. This is the final call for boarding. If an article happens to fall off of the tram, please remain seated. I or another cast member will help you retrieve the item. This vehicle is prone to sudden acceleration, braking, and turning. Please remain seated. Driver, clear for dispatch.
8030 from preferred. Please close 202.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children. Thank you.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Yes, once again, this is a village tram. At the end of the day, make sure you board the village tram. Village tram only to Scar and Hook. Guest, after security screening, you are a mile and a half away from the Magic Kingdom. You will need to board the monorail or a ferry boat. Driver, clear the stage. Driver, clear for loading zone. Guests, as we make this turn, please remain seated until this vehicle has come to a full and complete stop. Please remain seated. Once this vehicle has come to a full and complete stop, please exit to the left-hand side only. On the left-hand side through the poles and to security. Exit to the left-hand side only. Pull up on the handle. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Well, thank you.